Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before going to the video, please on your subtitles for clear explanation. What is Pdisk? The first question is that what is Pdisk, so let you explain. Pdisk is an online video streaming platform. You can upload any movies and series on Pdisk and stream them anywhere. How to create an account on Pdisk? Creating an account on Pdisk is a very simple and easy process. You just have to follow the given below instruction to create an account on Pdisk. Make an account from the given below link which I am posted in description. First, go to Pdisk, then click on 3 line, then click on user panel. Click on upload video. You'll get 4 options in upload video. Now we are going to upload video from our device, so we select file upload. Then click on choose and select your file, then give a title to file, name. After this give a description, it's not necessary. At the end click on upload and your file is successfully uploaded. After uploading, you will redirect to the Pdisk home page. Here you can see your uploaded video. Don't forget to refresh your page. After that click on copy share link. Earning money from Pdisk is a very simple and easy process. You can easily earn $1 or $2 per day from Pdisk by just working for 30 minutes a day.